The various political parties in this country are represented in almost every district by local clubs where party questions are discussed and all matters affecting the welfare of the different parties receive considerable attention. Well-known leaders visit the districts periodically and deliver important speeches on such questions as party government, party organization, the relative strength of the several parliamentary parties, etc. The rivalry between the political parties serves to maintain a high standard of excellence among them all. Para, our professor of commerce, is giving a garden party in a month's time, and several well known people are expected to be present. There will be Professor Morgan, our professor of chemistry, Professor Jackson, our professor of music, a famous Chancery judge, Colonel Jackson, and Colonel Anderson. Prominent members of the Conservative Party and Major Jones, the prospective candidate of the Liberal Party. Exercise 185. Messrs. Barber and Company, the New Carriage Company, and the Dorset Supply Company are to be converted into limited companies. The annual reports of the Malleable Iron Company Limited, Smith Brown and Company Limited, and the Weaving Company Limited all bear testimony to the prosperity of trade during the past year. A government official, a well-known railway official, and a clerk in another government department have all advised me to take shares in Lee's Brewery Company. But as a member of a temperance society, I do not like the idea. The local authorities have invited the committee of the Agricultural Society to arrange a show here, and the local Society of Musicians has undertaken the charge of the musical arrangements. It is hoped the committee will arrange the matter. Please make arrangements to come over on the first day if possible.